everyone, welcome back to Pi Analytics. Today we are exploring two popular careers in data analyst and business analyst. Both roles often require similar skills like SQL, Excel, and Power BI. So it is easy to get confused between the two, but there are so many differences in how they apply these skills and what is expected of them on the job. So if you're wondering which one might be the right path for you, please keep watching this video. I will first start by quickly defining each role. A data analyst is usually focused on collecting, processing, and analyzing data. They often work closely with data sets, creating reports and dashboards that show patterns and other insights. Data analysts primarily deal with the technical side of things. They dive deep into data to make sure it is accurate and useful for further analysis. On the other hand, a business analyst uses data to solve business related problems. While they might also create reports or dashboards, their main job is to use insights from data, which is often provided by data analysts, to address business challenges, improve processes, and make strategic recommendations to their stakeholders. Now, business analysts bridge the gap between data and decision making. So, we can talk about the skills more. So, both data analysts and business analysts need technical skills like SQL, Excel, and Power BI. These are tools that help them pull data, analyze it, and present their findings. However, business analysts are often expected to have stronger communication skills, as they often need to explain insights and make recommendations to stakeholders in a way that is easy for them to understand. For data analysts, on the other hand, the technical skills are often more specialized. They may even use Python or R for further data analysis, and they are more likely to work on advanced data manipulation and statistical analysis. Business analysts, meanwhile, might focus more on tools for modeling business scenarios, creating presentations, and communicating effectively with the stakeholders. Now, what are the job expectations for each roles? You might be wondering. Now, data analysts are expected to focus on data accuracy and visualization. They work behind the scenes to ensure data quality and deliver accurate, insightful reports. Their job might involve a lot of solo work, digging into data, and building dashboards. And they also often work directly with data engineering teams or even other data scientists, especially if they need more complex data for analysis. On the other hand, a business analyst, the expectations are more about problem solving and communication. They need to understand the business's goals and challenges and use data to drive decisions that align with those goals. Their job involves working closely with the stakeholders and understanding their needs and providing actionable insights to support business objectives. Now, this role often requires more meetings and collaboration with other departments like sales, marketing, and even finance. So, how do you know which one might be the better fit for you? So, if you enjoy working with data in depth, love creating reports, and prefer technical work over communication, then a data analyst role might be the perfect fit for you. This path is great for those who like to work independently and dive into data details. Now, if you enjoy solving business related problems and you are comfortable communicating and explaining your insights to non technical people, then the business analyst role could be a great fit for you. Now, this path is ideal if you want to combine the analytical work with a focus on business strategy and you want to really make an impact on the job. So, if you're still interested in both roles, consider which parts of the job excite you the most. Some people start in one role and then move on to the other as they gain more experience and then develop different interests. So, there's really no need to decide already before you even get into the industry. And the salaries usually compare similarly. Generally, both data analysts and business analysts earn similar salaries with slight variations based on the industry, location, and the company, of course. And the range for entry level positions is often comparable, but with experience, both of these roles can lead to even higher level positions like senior analyst, analytics manager, or even data science roles for data analysts. Both careers often offer growth potential, but since a business analyst role is more cross functional. It can sometimes open doors for more strategic roles like product management and even project management. So, a quick breakdown of the pros and cons might also help you decide. For data analysts, the work includes a lot of technicality and focus, and they spend a lot of time with their data, and there are a lot of opportunities to specialize in analytics. Now, these were the pros, but there are some cons like less focus on business strategy, and there are fewer opportunities for client facing interactions. So, you usually work behind the scenes. For business analysts, the work is more collaborative, more impactful on business strategy, and there are a lot of opportunities for cross department work. And but there are some cons like less time spent with in-depth analysis, and they often require more meetings and communications. So this breakdown can also help you decide if you're more interested in the technical or the business side of analytics. Now, these are the key differences between a data analyst and a business analyst. Both roles are in high demand and offer great career paths with plenty of room to grow. So if you're still unsure, consider starting in a role that offers a bit of both, like a general data or business intelligence analyst position, to see which parts of the job that you enjoy the most. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on data careers. And please drop a comment below about which role you are considering for yourself. And I will see you in the next video.